The product accessories include a piece of glass, an electric sunroof, a window frame and 2 tracks. Turn the glass over and mark the position 5 mm away from the edge of the glass. Install the sealing strip into the glass along the marked position. After pasting the sealing strip, then put the glass into the window frame. Note: do not press the wires. Adjust the glass position on the window frame, keeping 5 cm from the edge on the left and right, and 1 cm from the edge at the bottom. After adjusting the position, mark the glass position 5 mm away from the window frame. Apply glass sealant after applying tape. Apply glass sealant to the concave area. Wait for it to dry, then repeat again. Scrape the sealant along the edge of the glass. Wait for it to dry and then tear off the tape. Apply sealant in the center. Fit the skylight to the window frame. Note: the wires need to be placed inside the window frame. Adjust the position of the skylight, keeping 1 cm away from the edge on the left and right. Apply sealant on both sides. Put the tape in the middle and apply the sealant on the joint between the skylight and the glass. Wait for it to dry and repeat this step. Note: all edges need to be coated with sealant. Wait for the sealant to dry and install the track on the skylight. Note: you need to distinguish the front and back of the track. Connect the track to the hole. Note: someone needs to lift the window slightly. The installation method of the tracks on both sides is the same, then 2 screws need to be screwed in to fix it. After fixing, apply sealant to make the track fit the window frame.